Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, available VW CarNet safe and secure emergency communication system, 20-inch two-tone machined alloy wheels, perforated Vienna leather seating surfaces, heavy-duty truck liner with VW cargo blocks, rear spoiler, keyless entry, steering wheel controls, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.